Hello students, today we are going to do chapter 3, the second part, division. In this video, we are going to learn about division and its property. Now, let us see a video.
Today, let us revise division and its facts. We know that division is actually repeated subtraction. Let us understand it with an example of 35 divided by 5. Look at this. Here, 5 is subtracted repeatedly 7 times from the number 35 to get the remainder as 0. This process of repeated subtraction is called division. We also know that this division can be done like this. Now, let us recall the terms of division. Here, the number 35 is the dividend, the number to be divided. Number 5 is the divisor, the number that divides the dividend. Number 7 is the quotient, the answer that we get on dividing the numbers. And number 0 is the remainder, the number that remains after dividing. The remainder is always smaller than the divisor. Did you notice that the quotient is equal to the number of times we subtracted? Kids, remember, if the remainder is 0, then 1. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient. 2. Divisor is equal to dividend divided by the quotient. 3. Quotient is equal to dividend divided by the divisor. Now, let us look at the division facts, or we can say division properties too. 1. 0 divided by any number except 0 gives 0 as the quotient. For example, 0 divided by 85 is equal to 0. Remember, a number cannot be divided by 0. 2. Any number divided by 1 gives the number itself as its quotient. For example, 18 divided by 1 is equal to 18. 3. Any number divided by itself gives 1 as its quotient. For example, 26 divided by 26 is equal to 1. Now, let us revise the relationship between two operations, multiplication and division. They are very closely related. Look at the numbers 5 and 3. To get the product, we multiply the numbers 5 and 3, which is equal to 15. Now, let us look at it in another way. Divide 15 by factor 3 to find the quotient, which is equal to 5. Now, divide 15 by factor 5 to find the quotient, which is equal to 3. This tells us an interesting fact. Division is the inverse of multiplication. That is, when we divide the product with one of its factors, the quotient that we get is the other factor. I'm sure you must have enjoyed revising division and its facts.
Children, I hope you must have understood division and its facts. Now, let us do division of large numbers. Long division consists of 4 steps. First, we divide and then we multiply. After multiplication, we subtract and then the answer we will bring down the next number. So, with the help of these 4 steps, let us solve some questions of your textbook. Now, let us take first question. We have to divide 12,686 by 51. So, first we will see the first two digits. The first two digits are 1 and 2, which is smaller than 51. So, we will take 3 digits, that is 126. 126 is greater than 51. So, we will see the table of 51 where we should get a number which should be equal or smaller than 156. So 126. So let us see the number. We have to divide 126 by 51. So 1 is 51, 2 is 102 and 3 is 153, which is greater than 126. So we will take 2 So first we will take 2. We will subtract 102 by 126 and we get the answer 24. Then we will bring down this 8 down and the number has become 248. Now we will search for a number in the table such that we get a number which is equal or smaller than 248. That is, we got the number as 204. 4 because 5 is 255, which is greater. So we will take 4 51 4 is 51 4 is 204. So we will subtract 204 from 248. When we subtract, the answer, the difference is 44. Now we will bring this 6 down. When we bring this 6 down, the number has become 446. Now we will search for a number in the table such that the number should be equal to 446 or should be less than 446. The answer is 8 8 is 408 because 9 is 459, which is greater. We cannot subtract it. So we will subtract 408 from 446 and the remainder, the answer has come to 38. So our quotient is 248 and our remainder is 38. Now look at the second question. We have to divide 60,582 by 87. So again we will take one digit which is 6, which is very small. Then we will take 2 digit, it is 60, it is again small. And then we will take 3 digit. The 3 digit number we will take, that is 106. First we will take the 3 digit number, that is 605. So we will search a number from the table such that we get a number nearer to 605 and that number is 522. 6 because 7 is 609, which is greater than 605. So 87 6 is 522. When we subtract 522 from 605, we get the answer as 83. Now bring down this 8 over here and the number has become 838. Now again we will search a number which is smaller or equal to this number and the number is 789. 789 will go 87 nines are. So when we subtract 783 from 838, the answer is 552. Now see, 87 6 is exactly 500 and no, not exactly. It is 87 6 is 522 and the number is 552. So we will take 87 6 is 522. When we subtract 522 from 552, the remainder has come to be 30. So the quotient is 696 and the remainder is 30. Now let us see the third question. The third question is 30,045 divided by 25. It is very simple. First we will take 30. 30 will go 25 ones is 25. 10 minus 5 is 5. Bring down this 0. It has become 50. Now 25 twos is 50, exactly 50. So bring this 4. 4 is smaller than 25. So we will bring this 5 also, and then 45. 25 ones are 25 twos is 50. But here we will take 25 ones is 25. 45 minus 25 is 20. So the quotient is 1201 and the remainder is 20. And here I have put this 0 to maintain the place value. We will bring this 5 and it will become 40. Now let us do some story problems. Now story problems given on exercise 3D. Let us see the first one. The first one, Arjun has to pack 56 pastries into boxes of 6 pastries each. Means in one box, how many pastries should be there? 6 pastries. In each box, 6 pastries. So, how many boxes he will be needing to pack 56 pastries? So, in one box, 6 pastries. So, number of pastries are 56. So, we have to, whenever they are asking for how many boxes, number of boxes, number of balls, number of pens, we have to divide. So, we have to divide 56 by 6. When we divided 56 by 6, we got 9 answer and the remainder is 2. Means exactly 9 boxes will be there and 54 pastries will go to 9 box and 2 pastries will be left. So he has to pack those 2 pastries in one more box. So 9 plus 1 is equal to 10 boxes he will be needing, because in 9 boxes 54 pastries will come and 2 pastries which are left will be in the other box. So total he will be needing 10 boxes. Now question number 3 of your book says the shopkeeper is arranging 28 laptops on the shelves and 5 laptops on one shelf. So total laptops are 28 and in one shelf he is arranging 5 laptops. Now they are asking that how many will be on the shelf that is not filled. Means the shelf which is incomplete, which is not filled, how many laptops are there. So we will divide first how many laptops are there in one shelf. 5. Total number of laptops 28. First we will divide 28 by 5. The quotient will be 5 and the remainder is 3. So in one shelf total 5 shelves he will be needing and the last 3 laptops will be kept in the shelf which is not full. So the answer will be how many will be on the shelf that is not full. How many laptops will be there? 3 laptops will be there in that shelf. Now the fourth question, a 1000 ml pack of ice cream was shared equally among 7 people. How much did each person will get? Whenever they are asking about each person, you have to divide. So total quantity of ice cream is? So total quantity of ice cream is 1000 ml. distributed among 7 people. Number of people are 7. Quantity of ice cream each will get how many? 1000 divided by 7 will be, first we will take ones are 7 ones are 7. 10 minus 7 is 3. Bring down the 0, it has become 30. 7 fours are, bring down the 0, so 7 fours are 28. 30 minus 28 is 2. Then again we will bring down the 0, it will become 20, and 7 twos are is 14. The 20 minus 14 is 6. So the remainder is 6. So each person will get 142 6 by 7 ml of ice cream. Because this partial portion is also left, so we will take it in a fraction. Now children, question number 2 and 5 are very easy, which are based on division. Try yourself, and if you have any problem, please ask me. Now let us solve questions given in the exercise 3G, which are based on division. An office paid rupees 6,260 for 5 new desks. How much did each desk cost? Means the cost of one desk. So cost of 5 desks are so much, 5,260. Cost of one, whenever they are asking for one, we will divide. When we divide this number, 5 ones are 5. 6 minus 5 is 1. Bring down this to 12. 5 twos are 10. 12 minus 10 is 2. Bring this 6. This 2 will become 26. Now 5 fives are 25. 6 minus 5 is 1. Bring this 0. It has become 10. 5 twos are 10. So the cost of each text is 1,252 rupees. Now the fourth question. A newspaper delivery man delivers 72 newspaper every day. Total number of newspaper he delivers is 72. If he delivers 3 papers in each house, means in one house he is giving how many papers? 3 papers. 3 पेपर वो एक घर में देता है. How many houses? कितने houses, कितने घरों में वो पेपर डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करता है. So द नंबर ऑफ पेपर डिलीवर्स इन वन डे, एक दिन में उसने कितने डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करे? टोटल 72. एक घर में कितने पेपर गए? 3 पेपर्स. तो कितने घर में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करे? वी विल डिवाइड. Children, when we divide 72 by 3, it is very simple division. The answer will come out to be 24. So, in 24 houses he has distributed. कितने घरों में उसने पेपर्स दिए? 24 houses. Now, question number 8 is very simple, given on the page 53. You try yourself. Any doubt, any confusion, any problem, you can ask me. You can ask me in the comment box. I will reply you or to your maths teacher. Thank you very much.